Why use VPN services such as Surfshark or NordVPN when you can run your own? Let's see how to set up our own VPN on AWS using Wireguard. Part 1. Step 1. Create an EC2 instance. Go to AWS EC2 console to create a T2 micro instance. Click on Launch a new instance in your desired location. I am creating one in Mumbai region. Choose Ubuntu as our OS image. Generate a new key pair for later SSH access. Name it, save it, and download it. Ensure that port 22 is open for SSH. Click on Launch Instance. Once the instance is running, copy its public IP address. Step 2. Install Docker Engine on the instance. SSH into our instance using the public address and the downloaded key. Let's follow the instruction on the Docker website to install Docker. Add the Docker repository to our apt sources, then run apt update. Next, install Docker and Docker Compose. After installation, verify whether Docker is installed by checking its version. Step 3. Run Wireguard. Create a file named dockercompose.yaml. Define a container that runs the Wireguard Linux Docker image in a Docker Compose file. Also, define the server port as 51820, which we will need later. Create the config directory we define in the Docker Compose file for Wireguard to store its generated config. Start the Wireguard Docker container. Our server is now running. Watch part 2 to know how to connect to our VPN server.